Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on my earwax, cleaning out my ears. So somebody wrote this on one of my videos and I wasn't exactly clear on what they said. It was from a while ago. They said like do a video with your ears. I don't really know. And I was like, with earwax? I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. So here's the deal. I also wanted to say it takes me a while to get back to comments, so I'm really sorry, but I am doing my best to get back to you guys. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. So let's get into this video. I'm gonna go to bed tonight. I'm not gonna wash this off. So tomorrow I'll have a lot of surprises in my ears for you guys. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in the next. All right, so I got not much sleep last night, so I don't know how much earwax I'm gonna have, but I want to show you that this is the makeup look I had yesterday. I fell asleep, blah, 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 blah. So I know this isn't like the right way to clean your ears, but this is how I clean my ears. So I like to, if I didn't just come out of the shower, if I just came out of the shower, I don't need to lick it. But like if I don't, then I do. Guys, this video I'm pretty sure was requested, so that's why I'm doing it. I'm gonna have like black eyeliner on this, I promise you. No? Okay. Where to go? Boring. This is boring. I'm gonna try again. I really thought I'd have like so much stuff for you guys. Maybe a little bit of black right there. Wow, one of the least eventful videos I've ever done in my entire YouTube career. You guys want to hang while I just take off my makeup? I mean, feel free to X out, but I feel like I owe it to you guys. I can't believe I had nothing in my ears right now. Like, that never happens. All right. I'm gonna go in the shower now anyway. What is this? What is on my chin? That's all the makeup that was supposed to be in my ear, but it's not. So my apologies. I'm gonna go in the shower anyway, actually wash my face. So let's just give you guys a final look. My makeup from yesterday. And my uneventful Q-tips. That's all I got for you guys. All right, I love you guys. See you guys later. Bye.